What's up, everybody? As you can see,
I gotta pop it.
these Yinzers here are at the Pirate game. Yeah, we're tailgating for right now. If you watched our live earlier on, I think on Saturday, we said we were going to the Pirate game, and we are. And it's probably a little bit loud because we got the road right above us, cars everywhere. But we're in the parking lot waiting. So we're waiting for their grandparents to get here to tailgate with us. But we stopped at the Amazon bin store and bought some stuff. And as you can see, they're playing with the poppets right now. But I'm going to show you what we found, a little haul video from the parking lot. But first, before we show you the haul video, we're going to show you some clips that I got from the bin store. Here, put this in there. Some wasabi.
What?
This is the second wasabi I just found in the same bin. There's a grill cleaner. Some good stuff in here today.
I found a ranch box.
Oh, there's some pudding. Friendly.
Yeah, friendly pudding.
Pudding.
And wasabi, where did it go?
Somewhere. Oh.
It's like somewhere. And it, friendly. Oh, friendly, look, we found wasabi.
Yep. Tons of face masks. Shoes. Here, Bailey. Bailey, here.
I'm going to the car to get my phone and see if it fixed this.
Expired. Something you have to watch out for these bins because stuff does get stuff's expired. Is this another trampoline set? Yes. Trampoline cooling system. It's the second one I just found. I hate when things are in
How much is this?
$1.
Can I get it?
If you're gonna, do you have money?
Yeah.
You just pay me at the end. So this Yinzer right here is going to show you what she found first. I just hit my head on my car. She got this pink poppet.
It's an Among Us.
But she actually got a different poppet and it broke. But she's going to go grab it and show you. This is what this Yinzer got.
So I got a pack of rings. I'm wearing one right now. I got a lanyard with my mask on it. And
She got a 2-pack of poppets, so they shared it. But here's this poppet here. It broke.
Oh, and before her purple poppet, it went with this poppet, and I was just popping it, and
It broke. So the guy gave her a new one. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what we found here. We got this New York Jets bottle opener. Everything back here costs $30. Everything pretty much came from the dollar bin except for this and this. They were $5 each. So can you excuse me for a second? We found 3 of these. They are trampoline cooling systems. You hook them up to the top of your trampoline, and you hook your hose up to it, and it'll spray water on it. $1 each. We found 3 of them, but this one back here, the big Yinzer over here, what do we call you?
They call me the little Yinzer.
The little Yinzer found that, but it's actually a double pack, so which is good.
Call me the big Yinzer, please.
I already showed you the Jets thing. Found some of these Face Max filters. This is a 50. Oh no, this isn't the 50 pack. This actually has some Gators. This is a 50 pack here. They'll do okay. These are some watch bands, and I think they're for like Fitbits. They should do pretty good. Found 3 Trump flags, Trump 2020 flags, along with 2 Trump masks. This stuff still sells well. Baden, 2020, is it 2020? Yeah, no, 2020 president.
Yeah,
Got that for $1. Got some organic beeswax.
2 of them?
Oh, I didn't even realize I got 2 of them.
Yeah, I grabbed the other one for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Picked up some stickers. These are great for packages. I'm hoping that you guys can hear me because there are motorcycles, bikes, trucks, everything.
Yo.
And I might be yelling too
Wait,
much.
did you show this?
Yeah.
Wait, why are there eyelashes?
I don't know.
on them? Why can't there be boys?
We also picked up this Please Practice Social Distancing extra large 7-inch double-sided signs for $1. I didn't want to pass it up. I'll save those 2 for later. Picked up a bottle of Sleep Easy for $1. That sells for about 19-20 bucks. Thyroid support sells for between $6 and $10, so that's not a huge money maker. I picked up this book thinking I can sell this on Amazon. Well, I can't because we are blocked from selling this book. But for $1, I might toss it on eBay or Facebook. We'll see.
Why? Why can't you sell it on eBay?
Picked up this mug. It's actually a stepmother's mug, so it has a saying on it. But I'm gonna leave it in the box for now. Found this HP remote right here. It actually says, well, it just came out. It actually says like new, used, but it's actually brand new. It still has the plastic on the top, and I looked at it. It's clean as can be, so not too bad. It's not a huge remote seller, so I would stay away from the HP remotes unless you can get them dirt cheap for like even like $1 is good. But it should sell for about $10. Next up, we picked up this Independence flag. I'm not sure how large it is. But it's for Independence Day. So all that stuff was $1. Next up, the $5 stuff. Bean Boozle the Fiery 5 Challenge. Sriracha, jalapeno, cayenne pepper, habanero, and Carolina Reaper. Spin it, see what it lands on, you eat the jelly bean. I think this is going to be a video. I think we're all going to try these. Yinzer over here is shaking her head no. But little does she realize, she's going to do it. Last but not least, this thing. It's so weird filming on my phone because it's so close. But it's a pet bench seat cover for cars. $5. It sells for about 20 to 30 bucks. What's good though is I added up all of our items and we came up, it should have been about, he gave me a deal. He cut me a deal easily because I think there was about 40 items here, 36 items, so. But before I end this video, I want to show you some clips from the Pirate game and from our seats where we sat. We were in section 12 Row G, right behind the Cincinnati Reds dugout. So I'm going to show you the clips right now, and then we'll end this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage from the Pirate game, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage from the bins. Hopefully in the near future we'll be able to get you some more footage from the bins and show you what it's like, because it is kind of nice having an Amazon bin return store near us instead of watching everybody else do it. It's actually nice to go there, and we find some good items the 2 times we've been there so far. But these Yinzer kids are going to finish off this video for me right here. Come on in the picture. Go ahead, guys.
Be kind, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.
Bye, guys.
Bye.